Hey, what's going on? It's Ganesh here with brand new video in which I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp on any Android. But before that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. First step of this video is to take WhatsApp chat backup. For this, go to your WhatsApp. Open more option. Go to WhatsApp settings. Click on chats. Click on chat backup. Click on that backup button and wait till this backup process will be done. But here make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a like, and yeah, make sure to press the bell icon so that you will get notified. Now go to description box and download iOS WhatsApp and its theme. After downloading the file, go to any file manager and go to downloads folder, and you will find iOS WhatsApp. Install it. After installation, go back, open your iOS WhatsApp, complete some formalities and verify your number. Then it will show your WhatsApp backup. Click on restore button. Now open WhatsApp settings, forward modes, then FM themes. Load your theme, locate iOS theme from download and apply it. That's it.